Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your career situation first and for your love reading. So these are for your career situation, Libras, and we'll be picking more cards from another deck for your love reading. So Libras, today you have the support of the people you work with, your colleagues or your mentor, whoever it is. They are supporting you, supporting your dreams and supporting your work, and you have that great possibility of reaching success in some projects, and you may be getting some incentives, guys, because of your work, because of your efficient work, and you may be starting a new venture, maybe something related to art. So that is what I see for your career situation, and let us see what are the cards for your situation, guys. 3 of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and Judgment in reverse. So with these cards we see that you have good communication skills, and you are having people you work with, just like I said, you have people support in your work situation, guys, helping you and supporting you in your work or with their work, and you have that harmonious feeling in your career situation. Things are going well, things are going towards that positive, successful way today, guys. And in your career situation, guys, you know what you need to do. Maybe on certain circumstances you have that indecisiveness. You don't know what is your choice or what will be the right choice, but today you are seeing that clarity, what is the right thing to do today, and you are proceeding in the right way. So something which was not visible to you or which you didn't know before, you are coming to know of it, guys. Maybe some secrets are being are coming right in front of you, so you have that knowledge about that situation or circumstance, what you need to do today, and whatever was missing to make that choice, you are getting it, and in your career you are marching towards success, and you are seeing success within reach. The way your projects or way your work goes, you see things are simply falling into place beautifully, and you are tasting that success, that beginning of success. And maybe for some of you, you may be starting up some new career path involving some kind of art, maybe painting, drawing, or singing, dancing, something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. So you are proceeding in that path. That is also what I see for your career situation, Libras. So now let us see what is your what are these cards for your relationship, guys. We will turn these cards now. 4 of Water, 7 of Air, King of Air. So with these cards in your personal life situation, guys, it may be what you feel about this person or they feel about you. So whatever you are planning or whatever you are suspecting, maybe you have some clues in your mind about this person what they may do, or you are curious to know what is running in their mind. So you see that things are going in a positive way. So this person has the same intention just like you. They are interested in this connection and they want you and they love you. So they have their own dreams and aspirations for this connection, and they are moving towards that, and they are working on that. They want this life with you, and they are moving towards that, guys. That is also what I see. And they are quite intelligent. They know what they need in life to make reach that happiness, have that connection, and they want you to listen to them, and they are also ready to listen to you, listen to your needs and aspirations, your dreams, and they really want to be very diplomatic, guys. And they are very protective of their independence, and the same way they want you also to be independent, to express your views. So this person wants to know about you, wants to work towards that deep connection, that deeper understanding. So whatever the situation is, maybe there are some points of minor stress and troubles, but overall I see here that both of you are making efforts in your own way, what you know, to work this connection. So this person is also making those efforts. They want to understand you, and they are a very intelligent person, or this may be your energy, guys. You are very intelligent. You know that each person has their own needs, so both of you are trying to communicate and get that understanding, and you both are trying to be very diplomatic today, trying to understand each other, give each other that freedom, and freedom is love, Libras. That is what I see in these cards. You both want each other to freely express yourself, so that may be the reason that I see positive connection for your relationship, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.